my nephew got killed in an accident, and I need to know if can we sue that her insurance company?
Okay.
I'm assuming that, and I'm so sorry to hear this. I'm assuming that you're talking about your nephew was killed and somebody else caused the accident. And Chad, if that's the case, then obviously there's going to be a claim against her insurance company.
Correct.
The person who caused the accident. But there's also going to be a UM claim or UIM claim.
Sure.
Will you explain what that means to our viewer?
Sure. In any litigation or any type of accident, you first look to the at fault, that being the other driver that caused the accident and their insurance company. Whether it's a situation where the person did or did not have insurance, what she's speaking of is you would fall back on what's commonly referred to as UM, or underinsured motorist carrier coverage. In every policy, or what I think it has to be offered at least with every policy in Alabama, is insurance agent. I have it on my policy. I'm sure you do on yours. It's a little provision that says underinsured or uninsured motorist, and it stands for just that. If I'm involved in an accident with someone who doesn't have insurance, as the caller alluded to, or perhaps it's a wrongful death, or it's a terrible set of circumstances where the at-fault insurance simply can't cover those damages, whether they be personal injury or property in nature. And so for that reason, we look to our own insurance to provide, if you will, a balloon, or that gap between the minimum coverage or whatever the coverage was for the at-fault driver and what it would cost, or what we believe we could incur to make our clients whole again. So that's underinsured or uninsured, depending on the context.
Sure. Okay.
And real quick, Alice, or anyone out there that's lost a loved one, there is some probate work that must be done. There must be an estate opened if that person, the deceased, was not a minor. If they were a minor at the time, then an estate does not need to be open. But so that shortens the time frame for which you need to go ahead and consult somebody.
All right.
It's very important.
We are going to take our first break. When we come back, we'd love to talk to you. We're talking about traffic accidents tonight. So if you have a question on your mind, call us 741.